Hi guys, and welcome back. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping in. Well, today we're going to be taking a look around in Burlington to see what they've put out so far for fall 2024. I can already see that they have not made a full transition into fall, but we're going to take a look at what they've put out so far in the store. And I'm also going to include some footage of some artwork that they have at some great prices as well. Now, each of these pumpkins are priced at the same price, which is $4.99. I think for the size that is an appropriate price. I do apologize in advance for the lighting of this video. It has nothing to do with your devices, neither mine. But this store, the lighting was terrible in here for some reason. So I tried to do the best that I could to make sure that you could see all the items clearly. Now, these Cinderella pumpkins, I really like both of them. They're slightly different. One has a gold stem and it's flat white paint. And this one right here has a white stem with a high gloss white paint. Also, each of these pumpkins, they do light up. Now, that's an extra bonus for a price such as this for only $12.99 each. I have noticed as I'm out and about visiting these stores, checking out what's coming up for the upcoming seasons, a lot of these stores are struggling transitioning from summer into fall. I think they have a surplus of summer items that they have not sold, and so it's kind of holding them up to going ahead and moving forth with putting out their fall decor. I did notice that my TJ Maxx and Marshall stores, they're putting out Halloween decor instead of putting out the fall decor. And I thought that was kind of strange this season, but hopefully all those stores can catch up and I can bring that footage to you all. Now, isn't this just a wonderful saying written on this pumpkin? Grateful. And I think we all should take the time to be grateful about something. Now, these are not pumpkins, they are orbs, and they seem to have a lot of them in this size and in the larger size as well. So I just decided to include this in the video as well if you're looking for something similar like this that you can decorate with. I thought both of these trays were adorable for $7.99. One of these was silver tone and the other one seemed to be a little bit more rose gold like. So if you like something like this, you might want to stop by.
I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
these sunflower arrangements are absolutely stunning. And I also like this particular centerpiece here. This would be great on a dining table or a console or a entryway table as well. I thought these sunflower arrangements were priced at a nice price point for what you get. And this one as well, this was more in a rattan wicker type basket, which has been very popular through the summer. I'm not quite sure these are fall items, but they were great to look at. Burlington have a variety of these smaller floral arrangements. Some had pampas grass, some had florals mixed in with different vines. These will be great accent pieces.
No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at zero, will it ever stop? I'm only human. Yeah. How am I supposed to cope? Oh, one bad decision, I'm running out of rope. Oh.
So now we're going to take a look at some of their artwork pieces that I felt would be great items to add into your home, such as this piece. This canvas art was large. I don't have the measurements, but as you can see, the gold leafing here is detached from the canvas itself, and this would be beautiful in any home. I also like these large leaves artwork as well. I have been looking for something similar like that, and I almost put this gold one in my cart, but when I placed it in there and removed my hand, I had gold glitter all over my hand, so I didn't like that. Even though I could have used some hairspray or something, I just didn't feel like dealing with that. And if you're interested in more abstract artwork, this was a huge canvas piece for $59.99. Now this right here caught my eye. It was so gorgeous in person. So if you're looking for something dramatic, Burlington has that as well. And all of these options that I'm showing you are reasonably priced, and nothing is over $60. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new, how about click that subscribe button on your way out. Until the next video, happy decorating.